Dear students, in today's class we'll learn about important problems on Laplace transform. That is, first one, Laplace transform of sin phi t into cos 2t, and second one, Laplace transform of sin square of 2t plus 1. We'll see the details of this problem now.
Welcome back. Dear students, in today's class we'll continue the problems based on Laplace transform. So the example is find Laplace transform of sin phi t into cos 2t. So as per our formula list, we know only the Laplace transform of one function. But here multiple of two functions are there, so we need to make this as one function or separated by any addition or subtraction. So first, for such thing we need to use our trigonometric basic results. So we know that, so sine a into cos b formula as per the trigonometry. So sin a into cos b, it is nothing but 1 by 2 times sin of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So I told in the introduction only, so we need to remember few basic formulas of trigonometry, so we'll apply here. So here as per the given question here, so here f of t is sine of phi t into cos of 2t. It is our given f of t. So we have to make only one function or separate it by addition or subtraction by using the property of trigonometry. So this I will consider as sine of at cos of b, sine of a cos b. So I need to apply the formula, so it will become 1 by 2 times sine of bracket a plus b, that is phi t plus 2t plus sine of a minus b, that is phi t minus 2t. So now you can observe carefully. So what happens? So on simplification, so our f of t will become 1 by 2 times bracket, so sine of phi plus 2, it will become 70 plus sine of phi t minus 2t, it will become sine of 3t. Now it is easily simplification. We can we can easily do the simplification using Laplace. So take Laplace operator on both the sides. L of f of t is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, keep outside bracket. L of sine t, sine of 70 plus L of bracket of sine of 3t. So therefore, so we need to check what happened the result after applying Laplace transform. As we know, L of f of t, as per the required question, it is L of, we are finding here L of sine of phi t into cos of 2t result, which is simplified form by using trigonometry as this one on the right hand side, that is 1 by 2 times bracket Laplace transform sine 70. So Laplace transform sine of 80 is formula we need to apply, that is a upon So therefore here a value is 7. So 7 upon s square plus 7 square plus Laplace transform sin 3t, it will become 3 upon s square plus 3 square. So on final simplification, so 1 by 2 times bracket 7 upon s square plus 49 plus 3 divided by s square plus 9. So we can go further simplification, but for this level we'll stop it here only. Means you can take LCM and you can simplify again further, but right now it is much more. Again it will go complicated. If it is simple, we'll go ahead, otherwise we'll stop it here only. So thing is that, so problems they may ask in any way, but in in special cases we need to apply the trigonometric results like how we have applied here. And we have to, so you have to remember the formula of sine A into cos B, then sine A sine B formula, cos A cos B formula. So based on that they may ask the problem here. Now next example is find L of sine square of 2t plus 1. So here solution. So here our f of t is sine square of 2t plus 1. So you consider sine square of x angle, only one angle here. So okay, fine. So the coefficient of t is always the value of a here. So sine square formula we don't have, but this sine square can be simplified by using a trigonometric results again. So how we need to we can work out this. We know that what is sine square of x. So sine square of x can be written as 1 minus cos of 2x upon 2. And for your again information, cos square of x can be written as 1 plus 2 cos of 2x upon 2. If it is sine minus, if it is cos, plus sign will come. Okay, remember for one more option. But here we are using sine square, so I will give importance to this formula right now. So therefore what happens to our f of t? F of t will become 1 minus cos of 2. Here value of x is nothing but this complete bracket, 2 times 2t plus 1 whole divided by 2. Fine. So which is nothing but on simplification, so it will become 1 by 2 times. So this 1 by 2 I will keep out completely. So 1 minus, if you open the bracket, cos of, so 2 into 2t will become cos of 4t, means inside the bracket only, 4t plus 2 into 1 is 2. Fine. So this is a simplified form of the. So now it is easy to apply Laplace transform, but still for simplification, so cos of 4t plus 2 will apply the again formula here. So what we'll do here, cos of a plus b formula we need to apply. So that is f of t is equal to 1 by 2 times 1 minus cos a plus b formula will apply here. So I will put a bracket. So cos a plus b formula is cos a cos b, that is cos of 4t into cos of 2 minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is sine of 4t into sine of b. that is sine of 2. So remember, cos A plus B can be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we have applied that trigonometric formula here, so we got this result. So therefore on final simplification it will become 1 by 2 times 1 minus, open the bracket, cos of 4t into cos of 2 minus minus plus sine of 4t into sine of 2. So therefore now it is ready to apply a Laplace operator, that is take Laplace operator on both the sides. Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, so it will become L of 1 minus, here cos 2 is constant, keep outside, L of cos of 4t. Okay, here sine 2 is a constant, plus as it is, so sine 2 will keep outside, sine 2 is a constant means L of sine of 4t. So therefore now it is ready to apply the formula. The result is, so it will become L of sine square of 2t plus 1 will become 1 by 2 bracket, Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s minus cos of 2 is a constant, Laplace of 4t is what here, it is cos means s divided by s square plus a square, a's value is 4, 4 square is 16, plus sine 2 is a constant, keep as it is. So Laplace of sine 4t, that is a divided by, a is the 4, so 4 divided by s square plus 4 square is 16. So this is the Laplace transform. So I will rearrange, and for this, that is 1 by 2 times 1 by s minus, so s I will write before, that is s cos 2 divided by s square plus 16 plus 4 I will write before, so 4 sine 2 divided by s square plus 16. So this is the result of this given Laplace transform.